Are you looking for a unique and dazzling gift that is going to be remembered and be a treasure for years to come? I'm Gina with WTI, and I got just that from JuneJane. The first thing that strikes me about this necklace is just how brilliant the moissanite stone is. I got the 3-carat moissanite. It's in a beautiful heart setting that is simple and elegant. I love moissanites because they have a higher refractive index than diamonds, so they sparkle and shine more than any diamond ever will. This is set in sterling silver, and that includes the chain too, and I've had no issues with sensitivity at all. It comes in a beautiful box. Now, as you open this, immediately at the top, you're going to see this preserved real rose with the option to turn on twinkle lights. And then under that, there's a little drawer. You pull it out, and that's where the necklace is. This even comes with a certificate of authenticity. It is really the whole package. I think you or whoever you give this to is going to be blown away by the presentation and the quality of the jewelry, and that's my point of view.